Hey guys, welcome to Gadgets 360 and today we're going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. So without any further ado, let's get started. Now as you can see, we've got an early unit of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus right here with us, which we received from Samsung at the launch event which took place in San Francisco just a few days ago. And we're going to unbox the new device right here for you. So as you can see, this is the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. This is the 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage variant. Now we're going to unbox it for you. The first thing we'll do is of course take out the box cover, and right up top is the phone complete with its plastic sheets and plastic protecting screen things. Now let's get these out of the way. There is a little spot over here which was left empty on the screen protector, which is for the in-display fingerprint sensor. We'll get into that a little bit later. As you can see, the phone is fairly large and the dual camera setup is visible in the top right corner. Now taking a look at the back of the phone, we've received the white variant, but this isn't exactly white. There are the color changes a little bit depending on how the light is shining on it, and you can of course see the triple camera setup at the back of the phone. There is no physical fingerprint sensor anymore. The fingerprint sensor on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is now an in-display fingerprint sensor which is visible at the front, and the triple camera setup consists of 3 cameras. One of them is the normal sensor, one of them is for depth photography, and the third one is a wide angle sensor, and you can of course also see the flash. The sides will show you the buttons. Now on the left we have the volume rocker, on the right we have the power button, and also on the left is the Bixby button right here. Now the SIM tray is here at the top, and at the bottom we have the speaker grill and the USB Type-C port, and of course the 3.5 mm headphone jack. Also in the box are the charger. This is a 9 volt 1.67 ampere charger, which is a 15 watt charger. This is Samsung's fast charging standard right here. There is also a USB OTG device which will allow you to plug in a standard USB type A drive and allow you to read that using the USB Type-C port on the phone. You also get AKG headphones. These are wired in-ear headphones, and of course the USB Type-C cable. Also in the box is an adapter which is USB Type-C on one side and micro USB on the other side. So you can use typical micro USB charging cables with this adapter to be able to charge your phone as well. This part of the box has of course the SIM ejection tool and also some manuals. This is the quick start guide for the phone. We're now going to start up the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Now as soon as the screen went completely white, you can of course see the front dual camera setup right here at the top. Now this is designed in such a way that it isn't exactly a notch, but it is still occupying a little bit of space, and it is forcing the interface to kind of adjust to it. So you can of course see the top bar has been shifted to allow for the camera to kind of sit in the corner. Booting up the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus for the first time will show you a not very familiar new interface. This is of course Samsung's One UI interface, which is based on Android 9 Pie. Now you can see some familiar look from Android 9 Pie. We'll also just go into the settings here and show you the software status currently. As you can see, it's running One UI version 1.1 with Android 9 and also the Jan 1 security patch for Android. There are a handful of apps pre-installed, including the Galaxy Store. There are some Microsoft apps here as well as the Google Suite and some standard system apps from Samsung, which includes phone messaging and the My Files app. There is also the Facebook app pre-installed, which you should be able to no, in fact you cannot uninstall this app, and you can't do that with the Microsoft apps as well, so you're kind of stuck with these. So that was our unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus. Stay tuned to Gadgets 360 for the review and more in-depth information on the new Samsung smartphones.